time sim you can sing up to my bakan long kawan pair. So the first thing that I would like to challenge Ribahoi People's Council is dare to be different. Dare to be different. Do not imitate. If you imitate, then you will always have the fear of losing. Ladapi ang okay wig isang halang sa kancongi kitrekam kumni ngiti banlong kumaki pin fail. But in hablong you should have your own originality. Gade bandang pidi banlong dare to be different mo pidi ban pair na kiwi kibladon lepa. Ngong iladapi hiko aben trekam kum ba kiladon lepa kiwi isang kanlong kumju hibit time. Baro isang halang dag baburong hagpor king isang kidam gichungmot kamabha. But with time their ideas, their motivation will change. Mo kan kala. De kemudian kami ngi galong we have to be different. Lada kiwi giseng kidu jing syania. Ngada ong iba jesem to ay kan giseng gi jong pikan yo jing syania. First, da ngobrol menong we should not have a political involvement. We should be very neutral in our political stand. Keserkar dan ngi MLA gede banting kiong keseng Ribahoi People's Council kala ban pengkelem lan leban tau. Ya ki MLA por you should gain that kind of a respect and you should command that kind of respect, then only you will be different. It cannot be. Kinang yalam Ribahoi People's Council de sulit na obi to let ikran obi ki jar la syai gela kerja. That's what many of our sect halangs are today, and that's why we don't trust in them. Many intellectuals will not trust sect halang. Because of what? Because of what they are. Jadi piga seng dapat mai, nomor pidai dapat mai ni baru piwan lagi seng di bawah per pila dan lang lagi seng di per shop himi lagi seng di amba. We need to be different. Saya pen mau ya kata mau pen long giba per kan long kejengun toy nak bentakam. Kem Ribahoi berok kawai kabanga ong kadeka self-reliant is something we should really talk about. Ba bialam cintuai penting mau ini Mahatma Gandhi, and Mahatma Gandhi is a person who propagates self-reliance. Mengintai bendikan haki wepa. Mo ngadam yekran ba Jason rolong ba ka phone ongkum ka seng bahlang. What is your source of income? Pimla ban treseng halang lada pimdam bisa. Pimla ban ong ngai scholarship yeki brio lada pimdam source of income. Pim generate revenue. Lada pin ai scholarship pin ai jingerap daw pipi like pan lagi marwari na po berni, you better not help. Taya piro paro tum dukhat jong kaseng gi bawang hangni kani kasni. Kejingkali jong nga kalong ba. What is it that you can give for this Ribahoi People's Council? Kaitin ay. John F. Kennedy wong ask not what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. What kailanti bakari kan le ayo nak benta jong andre ngagin kan le ayo nak benta kari. Telada piong ada useng bahalang uban train nak benta ka tiam Ribahoi. What is it that you can give? Pinai ayo nak benta ka tiam Ribahoi. Di ai jing nang jing start jong pi pinai ka talem ke jong pi pinai pisah ke jong pi. Ngada ong iba jasan ngamtip haduk ano council kan trekam. Ngada ong why don't we generate income down? We will have a commitment. Mangar dengan member ong ki ngasi hajar si benai dengan ai. There should be a transparency in maintaining of the accounts. Ngibaro ngin ay, ngaro ngan ay, niro ngin ay, iway na pinang jongin ngin ngangan kamit na ay arspat ng cash banay, ngangan kamit na ay sanspat ng cash banay. That is our source of income. We should be self-reliant if we want to be a part of an NGO.